Hey, this is Doug, your coffee snob who needs to switch to decaffeinated. Not that happy about it, but I've done a lot of research. And this Joe, No Fun Joe Decaf came highly recommended, both because it's organic and because it uses the Swiss water method to become decaffeinated, which from my understanding is the best way to get a decent tasting decaf coffee. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the coffee machine, try it for about a week, come back, I'll let you know what I thought. All right, let's go do that. Here we go, bitches and hoes. I've been drinking the Joe for about a week now. This shit is awesome. All right, so it's been about a week, so I've probably had too many cups of this Joe coffee, and I will say, just like I kind of thought would work out, that it is reasonably good for decaffeinated coffee. And that really means a lot, because I really like my nightly dark, rich, delicious, amazing, fresh coffee. But especially for something like this frosty, cold, delicious iced coffee here, I've been really enjoying it. I know it says it's full body, but obviously it is not as rich as what you normally think about full body, but it definitely has like those chocolate tones. It's not very acidy. It's definitely pleasurable to drink. I'm happy with myself that I found this and bought this for myself. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.